Jay Woods here, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia Cards. We're going to do the last 5 boxes of this case for fitch123. We've had a request to do box 7 first, so we'll do box 7 first. So sports cards, Matt can go to bed. Open all the packs, save the autos for last. I will save those hits for last. We'll do what we did on in the cases. Sorry guys that it's choppy. Can't do anything about it, I don't think, until tomorrow. Is that a red? Oh, it's a red. Sorry. Don't know if that's a red or a black. I can't switch the cameras. They are permanently where they are. Fine, I will check. Nope, not A101. Not A101. It is a red. This is box 7, Fitch. Let me see where the thick cards are. And where's your other thick card? Is that a card? Your cards, your 3 hits are right there. Good luck, man. Alright, we got Cahill Orange. Ultimate Teams, Gary Cahill. This is 58 of 149. And we got Jaime. I'm not calling him James. I call him Jaime Rodriguez. 7 of 249 on the camo. And orange, Schweinsteiger for Germany. 62 of 149. What did I miss now? Camo Vargas. 75 of 249. We got CR7, Lionel Messi, Ultimate Team, Yaya Toure, and Clint Dempsey, National Prides. And then we got Thomas Mueller, 188 of, blues are 299, right? 299. Should know that by now. Purple is Leonardo Bonucci. That is 82 of 99. And then we got Mario Mandzukic, orange, 14 of 149, equalizers. And Robert Lewandowski, that is 78 of 149 on the Lewandowski orange. Alright, first hit. Out of 199, double team, two color, PK and Sergio Ramos. So pinstripe red. 1 of 199. eBay 1 of 1. The good old eBay 1 of 1. Oscar, and he kept it all on sticker. That is 6 of 10. Oscar, 6 of 10. Very nice, man. 6 of 10. His jersey number is 11, and there's a blue Buffon in there. Blue Buffon, 101 of 299. And this is the one that I wasn't sure because I saw the black, because it is black and red. This is Diego Lugano. Black and red. This is the trick out one. That is 32 of 49. Lugano. That was box 7 for the people that asked. And Fitch, you don't want the base from these 5. box 1. This case has just been silly. They might be. I only got one more case of this, Steven, though, so. Jerry, this is a completely different case. Alright, sorry. Save hits for last. Sorry. That's just a dummy. And that's a card. I think that's your auto. And alright, good luck, man. Alright, we got a blue Wesley Sneijder. First Wesley Sneijder, 71 of 299. And we got a camo Manuel Neuer, 29 of 249. Camo Ultimate Team. Then we got Robinho National Pride, 203 of 249. Claudio Pizarro red, 14 of 199 on the red. All right, we got CR7 Ultimate Team, Podolski Equalizers, Farfan and Torresadis Pride. Got a red Angel Di Maria, that is 191 of 199 Ultimate Team. Then we got a CR7 camo, 148 of 249, Equalizers camo. And a James Rodriguez red, 148 of 199. Red Angel Di Maria, 127 of 199. Then we got Giannis Fatizidis, 230 of 249 on the camo. Alright, we got a hit right here. And it is an Iker Casillas jersey card. That is 62 of 199 on the Iker Casillas. Protected by 2 base cards. And out of 125, Kevin Morales for, who is that? I don't know what team that's on. Kevin Morales, orange auto. 43 of 125. And jersey of Rui Patricio, that's 73 of 199. Dud box. Next box, box 3. Nose on, I haven't even sorted that break yet. It's gonna happen tomorrow. Empty box. Herb. There you go. All cards. So used to going one by one. Night, Matt. Thanks again, man. Congrats on some of your hits. All right, we'll start. Purple, Claudio Bravo for Chile. It's 99 of 99. eBay 1 of 1. Clint Dempsey, orange. Nagu ball, 129 of 149. Diego Godin, 261 of 299. Camo, Farfin, that's 127 of 249. Blue, Ivanovic, 139 of 299. Then we got Radamil Falco, Camo, 17 of 249. 99, Ivan Rakitic, 87 of 90. We should have one more hit in this stack. Right there. Alright, we got Lucas Piszczek, purple, 49 out of 99. Your inserts are Wayne Rooney, Ultimate Team, CR7 Equalizers, Prides of Burrick and Pirlo. Alright, and your hits. We got another Michael Laudrup auto. That one is 172 of 199. It's been alright. Hasn't been as good as the first half yet. Alright, and out of 25, nice 2-color for England, Phil Jagielka. Phil Jagielka. 8 of 25. The next case is in the store, Fisker. If you want to buy boxes, I don't know how many are left. That's the last case I have tonight. I was out of 25 on the Jagielka. And Mario Götze out of 199. 101 of 199. And he kept that one all on sticker, which he does not do ever. This is box 7. Yeah, I got it all right. Sweet. Good luck, man. Now we got an orange Diego Godin. That is 28 of 149. Blue Antoine Griezmann. 246 of 299. Blue Shaqiri. 110 of 299. Our inserts are Mandzukic, Fabregas and Silva duos, and prides of Benzema and Cerna. Camo of Rakitic. That is 197 of 249. Red Sergio Ramos, 52 of 199. Why are some? Okay, hold on. Base and base. Carlini. 214 of 249. I don't understand why some of these were backwards. Alright, we got an orange Artur Burak from Poland. 148 of 149. And an orange of Shaqiri. That's 149 of 149. Camo Olic from Croatia. 164 of 249. And your hits. Out of 15. Nice. Xabi Alonso. Out of 15 blue. That is a one color. Does not. It looks like they miscut the patch. That white is the patch window in there. They miscut it. Out of 15. At 6 of 15. Xabi Alonso. Then we got an orange Lucas Podolski. 24 of 149. And Willian, two-color, green and gold. That is 12 of 25. Willian. 12 of 25. Last box. Good luck, man. Good luck, man. Last box. All right, we got Angel Di Maria blue. That is 245 of 299. Lionel Messi 30 of 30. Ultimate Team tie-dye. 30 of 30. Congrats, Fitch. Sweet card. Alright, Pedro Rodriguez. Purple, 38 of 99. Red, Milik. 199 of 199. And Inler red, 65 of 199. Your inserts are Benzema, Yaya Toure, Pride of Company, and Vandervaart. You got a camo of Contral, 174 of 249. Alright, then we have another camo, Giovanni Dos Santos, 105 of 249. We got a blue Angel Di Maria, that is 137 of 299. And your hits. Now we got another Iker Casillas, 25 of 149. Iker Casillas, 25 of 149. One color jersey card. That is your auto, so we'll save that for the very last. 42 of 99, Max Pereira for Uruguay. 42 of 99, blue. And Frank Rijkaard. Historic signatures, Frank Rijkaard out of 199. 29 of 199. What's up, Jamie? So that Messi is disgustingly nice. Alright. That does it for that, Fitch. Thanks very much. I will pack